G'day folks, Mr. Durst here again. I'm going to continue on from my last video where we created a technical drawing in Autodesk Inventor from our pre-made part. Next I'm going to show you a program that will help us to build this quickly. We're going to use a web-based tool called MakerCase and then import the file that it generates into Adobe Illustrator and modify it ready for the laser cutter. So if we exit out of here into MakerCase, which is makercase.com, first swap out units to millimeters. I'm going to do inside a box because we know that the inside of our first box, if we look at our drawing down here, our first box was 78 millimeters by 78 millimeters. Our height was 20 millimeters minus our 3, so that's 17 millimeters. And our depth was also 78 millimeters. Okay. Scroll down a bit. So they're my internal dimensions. My material thickness stays at 3 millimeters, and I want this to be an open box. I don't want it closed. I want to put in some finger joints, and I want to make them as big as possible, just because I can. So that's our first section. So now we download our first set of plans. Okay, this is it. So our line formatting is set at 0.1. We want to change that to 0.001. Our line color stays at red, which is FF0000, and we don't need to worry about our kerfing. Okay, so we're going to download that as a DXF file. Yeah, so let's save that one. Next we want to do the tall section that goes next to it. So up here our width stays the same. Our height is changing to 100 minus 3, the 97. And our depth stays at 78 as well. Again, it's our internal measurement. Our material is still 3 millimeters. Our box is still open at the top. We still want finger joints. We might leave them at 8.5 so the joints are all the same throughout, and we download them again. Let's double check our lines. I'm not sure why it won't let us in this time. That's all right, we can edit it from there. So download DXF, and that's given us our second lot of box.